everyone, welcome back to the channel. Well, I have a whole bunch more Woodland Scenics lights. So stay tuned, kick back, relax. We'll talk about what I have. Well, everyone, thanks for hanging out with me for another episode of the Sean Pacific Railroad. Well, I'm your host, Sean. I'm so glad you guys can hang out with me. If you're new to the channel, I have a KATO Nscale layout I've been slowly working on for the past few years. So I'm so glad you can join me. So what we're going to talk about today is I got another building. I only paid $5 for this. These things are like gold on eBay. So I'm really happy. I got that from my friend Matt at his shop, Pack Rat Trains and Toys. And I've been slowly ordering more streetlights because I'm going to be working on this town eventually. Now, I have my work cut out for me. I'm going to slowly install these one by one till I figure out what I want to do and how I'm going to work on my town. So today we are going to install these little guys in that building and do a little work around there and see how it comes out. And of course, run some trains. So this base I really need to work on. I want to work on this first, get that all filled in. I need at least a few more buildings in here, industrial like this one. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up, I think, these guys, check it out, see what I have to do to get them installed. Okay, first off, here we are. Comes with the connector that plugs into the light hub. These little wires, they go into here. Black ones with the black ones, red ones with the red ones. Then we hook it up. But first, I need to drill little holes in here so I can mount the lights. I'll show you what I'm going to use for that. So I'm totally going to use one of these. I have a few of these. These are amazing for little projects. If you guys don't have one of these, you guys need to definitely invest in one. So definitely first hole right above the door. Hopefully that's big enough. If not, I will go to a bigger size drill bit so you can see how tiny these wires are. So I believe I have the right size hole. Let's see if I can't feed that through, and we're gonna go ahead and glue it in there. Perfect fit. All right, so went all the way through. I just need a little tab of glue in there and get it just settled just right. All right, so I ran the wire into the plug it comes with. So pretty simple, red wire into one side, black wire into another side, and plug it into your hub. And that's it. I'm gonna drill that wire through here and then I'll tape this up there at another time. All right, so here we are. I went ahead and plugged in the lights and they test perfect. I like it, looks good. I'm gonna turn the lights off, we'll see how it looks. All right, just perfect. Now, these little wall lights are absolutely amazing. They are super bright. Totally recommend the little wall lights from Woodland Scenics. Super cool. So definitely cool. So I still have all this space to go. I think I'm gonna order another Walters Nscale brick building for this area. put it together and try to knock this whole section right here out. So there you guys have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna leave you guys with some trains running tonight. If you guys like what you see, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget that icon bell for all my upcoming videos. You guys, appreciate you. Hope you have a great upcoming week. If you guys have any ideas for me, any suggestions, please leave them in the comment box. You know, I always love to read your comments and your suggestions. You guys, I appreciate you. You know what I love to say, without you guys, this hobby, this model railroading right here, this layout would be a lot harder than it seems without you guys' help. Appreciate you guys. Have a great week.